Right.
And as that's happening, there's a lot of noise that's going on. It gets overwhelming. It can. It doesn't happen with everybody. Not everybody experiences it the same way, but that's actually what's happening. Your brain starts to get tired.
I believe that.
And then what happens during that process is your brain kind of reboots. It goes like, ooh, that noise is so loud. Now, so this is what happened with people with ghost pains, people who have depression, people who have anxiety, people who have all these types of things that are going on with them, is there is a signal that is always going on inside their brain, right? You either are picking up on a very low signal and your threshold isn't high enough, or you're picking up on a signal that's too high because there's constant misfirings going on in your brain.